So on the way back from RITZY Ridge, one of our favorite areas, by the way, to do a little riding in. Well, this is a very special day for our family. It's a super special day. Has nothing to do with motorcycles. Our grandson Miles today turns 9. We're having a party for him, a family party this afternoon. Despite the end of this hope it's the end of the COVID virus. We're going to take a chance, have a very small family party, a cookout, barbecue, or whatever. I'm not sure what. Whatever the kids' plan is fine with me. But we're going to get up really early, the plan is, and we're going to get out on the open road today, and we're going to drink our coffee and feed the fish and be back here in time to get ready for the party. But in the meantime, this blows me away. Miles is 9 years old. I just can't, in my wildest dream, I can't, it just blows me away. But what it means is something else. My brand new R1 that I bought brand new is 11 years old. The Ninja, brand new, Rob and I bought it. Brand new, it's 11 years old. I'm looking around. I bought this bike new in 82. 82, what the hell happened? What the hell happened? I was sitting out on the backyard yesterday with Karen. We had gotten back from Motorcycle Mall, and I don't go there that often, but we were trying to get the Joe Rocket jacket, we were not able to get. And it dawned on me, wow, the last time I bought a bike, I bought actually both of those bikes from Motorcycle Mall. And what a different world it is now than when I bought those bikes. And this is as true as can be. Whenever I go to Motorcycle Mall is a kind of unique, very cool place. But you look at how different motorcycling can be for different groups of people. When you're a young person, it's all about the style and the wheelies and can you show your friends a stunt in the parking lot or something else. And then as you get older, you realize, I'm not so sure that's what I want to do this afternoon. And then Luciano and I go on these senior citizen adventures where the bikes are breaking and things are going wrong and you never know what the hell the next thing around the corner is. And God, but at the end of it, I think, where did all that time go? Just where did it go? And today, it's like a day to think about it. Where did it go? It's over 20 years that Craig and I dug this pond, and God almighty have I enjoyed and the little bit of relaxing time I get out here every day with the fish, especially feeding them, of course, and Karen's wonderful garden. It just gets more beautiful to me every day. So I do try to think about it as the birds are chirping along. Where did it all go? Wow, and Karen and I are going to be celebrating very soon being in our house 30 years. We've been in this house and working on it, working on the property. And I think, where did those 30 years go? God, where did they all go? It's unbelievable. Mysteries of the lab. But I don't think about it much when I'm on the road, and it's time to get on the road right now. So on the way back from RITZY Ridge, one of our favorite areas, by the way, to do a little riding in. Had a short ride, and this afternoon is going to be Miles's birthday party. I wanted to get a picture of this from my album. So I'm home, baby. I'm ready for coffee. Hey, I went past the kids' house to see the sign. It looks beautiful. Oh my God, it looks like Hollywood. Oh, it's as big as a motorcycle. It's unbelievable, bigger. It's very cool. All right, I'll be right in for my coffee. Hey, we have a very special day, of course, because it's Miles's 9th birthday. We're gonna go over there and help him decorate, of course. And boy, I wanted to mention that area around RITZY Ridge. Wow, I have explored that before. What a beautiful area. So we're basically going to have a busy afternoon with the baby's party. I'm glad I got back early, and hope you enjoy that area around RITZY Ridge. That is such a cool area, and every time I go there I think, you know, it's just a great area. And the nice thing about this bike is so adaptable to different conditions. Nice slow sweepers, fast sweepers. Just a great bike. It's so underrated. Anyway, I wanted to, again, having seen thousands of signs today thanking the healthcare workers, I want to add my voice to the list. Thank you one and all for making it possible. We can have this birthday party today. And I really do thank you. Anyway, the other thing, I enjoy making the videos. I hope you enjoy watching them. Share them with your friends and especially if they don't like motorcycles, make them watch them. It's punishment. It's a good way to punish your friends. Just kidding. Anyway, Karen sometimes gets a little sick of watching them too, to be honest. But anyway, thanks again for watching, and hopefully we will have a great party this afternoon. I'll try to tack on a few minutes of footage for the people that love going to birthday parties and eating cake and ice cream. And thanks for watching. So today is the lucky day, lucky for all of us. Miles turns 9. Wow. And because of the virus, this is going to be a small family-only party. And Rob is the grill meister. Yeah. How come you're not Marsh? Not me. Come on, guys, smile. It's a birthday party. What are you eating? A banana? Here? Bananas. Do some tricks or not? Come on. You can do it. You can do it. I got him, I got him, I got him, I got him. Just another day, just another day. Happy birthday, Miles. Open a cake up. What is that character? Is he a guy from Ninjago or something? No. The cake that does not want to be opened. There you go. What is that character? Is that a Pokemon character or what? Yes. Cool. It's a 6. He's 6 today. Oh no, he's 9.
You got a balloon show. They watch Bobby. It's called Bluey.
Tell me his name. What's the character's name?
Brendan, I said like 5 times.
Oh, I haven't heard of that.
5 times?
Yes.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Miles. Happy birthday to you. Yay!